viewers and subscribers, I get trapped in New Jersey right now because of the rain. I can't go nowhere. It's raining all day. We at the New Jersey Turnpike exit. Hope you guys can see, get a view at that sign over there. The New Jersey Turnpike. It's raining from morning. A lot of rain. Like cats and dog. Still, it's beyond mankind. So, if we just take the water, never too much. Sometimes some people say they need water. What the Father give us, we have to take it. Can't refuse it. But still, hopefully tomorrow, the rain hold up for the day and I can finish my journey. But guys, I catch you guys later on. Peace. I'm out, but I'm still in New Jersey to accomplish my mission.